Have a look at this 3D animated video I created.
One fine day, a man casually walks between the streets and unaware of what's about to happen. This man finds a mysterious gold ring on the path. He picks it up and looks around if someone has lost it, but he finds no one in the street except him. He puts the ring to his finger and starts walking. From the time he puts the ring, he finds something suspicious around him. He senses someone is following him on the way. At night, when he sleeps, he finds some sounds coming out from his window. He wakes up and walks to the window.
If you want to create these kind of 3D animated videos, just watch the video till end. To create these kind of videos, I use 3 simple steps. First step is to write the story. To write the story, open ChatGPT and give it a prompt like generate 30 to 40 seconds documentary script of a detective solving a death case. In brackets, do not provide camera angles or shots. I will tell you why I have mentioned this later. So it will give you the whole documentary story. So with this, our first step of writing the story is completed. Our second step is to generate the voiceover for a documentary story. Do not worry, you no need to use your own voice. We can generate the voiceovers using AI. To generate the voiceover, go to Minimax AI. This application helps us to generate the voiceover for a story. Go to the ChatGPT, copy the whole script and paste it here. Once you pasted the script here, you have to choose the tone for the voiceover. These are all the available options here. I will go with captivating storyteller. I'll click on use and I'll click on generate. Once I click on generate, it starts generating voiceover for the documentary script. Once the voiceover is generated, just click on download button right here. So with this, our second step is also successfully completed. And the third step is to generate the prompts and videos for a documentary story. To do that, go to the ChatGPT again, give it a prompt like break down the story into scenes and provide the text to video generation prompts. It breaks down the whole script into number of scenes. So this is why I mentioned here not to provide camera angles or shots. We can mention all of them here. So once the scenes has been generated, go to the explore, search for 3D style documentary prompt generator. Select this one, click on start chart. This helps us to create the prompts that helps us to generate the 3D images for our story. Go to the script, copy the first scene and paste it here. It gives the prompts to generate the 3D images. Do the same for all the scenes. Copy the second scene and paste it here. Repeat the same thing for all the scenes. I'll quickly do it for you. So once you generate the prompts for all the scenes, you have to use the prompts to generate the images. For image generation, let's use Google Whisk. This application helps us to generate the 3D images for our story. Here you can find the option to add images. Here you can add subject, scene and style. For better image quality generation, let's add style. So before adding style, we have to choose the style. Go to the Google and search for Fern 3D animation style. Go to images, select any of the style. So once you download it, go back to the Whisk, click on upload image, upload the image just we downloaded. Go to the ChatGPT, copy the first 3D prompt and paste it in the Whisk. And within seconds it will generate the images based on our reference image. Repeat the same process for all the scenes. Let me do it quickly for you. Once the process is completed, download all the generated images. Once you successfully downloaded all the images, we have to convert these all images into video. To convert the images into video, go to Meta AI, click on create, click on video, upload the first image of our scene and also go to the ChatGPT and copy this prompt that we asked the ChatGPT to generate earlier and paste it here and click on animate. Once you click on animate, within seconds our image will be converted into video. Once the video is generated, click on download button here. Now go back, repeat the same process for every image. I will do it quickly for you. So once the process is completed, we are almost done with our documentary video. In the final step, we need to edit the videos and voiceover that we have generated earlier. So to do this, go to your favorite editing software and import all the videos and voiceover. Match the videos with voiceover carefully. Once you successfully completed editing, matching that visuals with voiceover, our documentary story is ready. But to add extra sauce to our video, let's also add sound effects to our video and also background music. To find background music and sound effects, go to the Pixabay website and search for the sound effects and as well as background music for your documentary story. Once you successfully added sound effects as well as background music, your final output looks something like this.
They called it the quietest crime in the city's history. A man found dead in a locked apartment, no fingerprints, no struggle, nothing disturbed. To everyone else, it looked like fate. But to Detective Arjun Rao, something felt placed. Inside that spotless room, one detail refused to blend in. A half-burnt candle lying on the floor, still warm, and a faint scent of jasmine drifting in the air, exactly like the fragrance used by a missing woman from a 5-year-old cold case. When Arjun dug deeper, he uncovered a voicemail hidden in the victim's phone. A single trembling whisper, "He found me." What began as a simple death report twisted into a trail of secrets, obsession, and a truth buried for years.
To get more interesting videos like this, subscribe the channel.